Hello. So I want to tell you about my nervous system realign courses coming up in the next few months. So what are they? Well, they're a combination of qigong, acupressure point location and usage, some yoga exercises, breath techniques, meditation techniques, and they're all specifically designed. Each class is specifically designed as a balancing for balancing of the nervous system and stress reduction. So who am I? Well, I'm Lise. I'm a shiatsu practitioner. I'm a yoga teacher. I'm a qigong teacher as well. And I have over 30 years of experience in the field of somatic bodywork as a teacher and practitioner. More importantly, I survived stage 3 breast cancer that I had in 2021. And all of the techniques that I will be teaching within the nervous system realign courses I use on a daily basis, and I firmly believe that they helped me in my full recovery from breast cancer. So yeah, they're really, really good. So when are they? Okay, so there's 3 courses coming up. The first one is an in-person. Now that's happening and starting on the 6th of February, going through to the 13th of March. So that's every Thursday, between 4:30 and 5:30 in a small village hall called Butley down in Somerset. So that's the in-person. There will also be the second one is an online course in conjunction with the Penny Bron Cancer Centre from Bristol that I'll be running from the 13th of February for 4 consecutive Thursdays between 3 and 4 p.m. and that's online and it's free for that one for cancer survivors and allies. And then the third one will be for child sex abuse survivors and allies. The date for that has not been arranged as yet, but yeah, watch this space. It will be coming up soon, and I do believe it will probably be another online offering of the Nervous System Realign course. So, who is it for? Well, I'm putting out these courses right now to get a gauge on who is interested in this work in person and online. And for the next 6 months, I'm just going to be looking into that, and then it will define how I move ahead with this body of work. So if you're seeking to deal with stress, to calm your nervous system and to find some really good tools that are linked in with the yogic tradition and with the traditional Chinese medicine, ancient systems basically, then come and join me for an online offering or for an in-person offering. If you want more information, go to my website, which is www.wildrelease.com. So that is WILDRELYS.com. And there's more information on all of the nervous system realign courses coming up. And also, if you don't have time, then dive into my YouTube channel, which is Lise Lily Wild, because on there I have lots of very useful videos on different ailments and acupressure points that you can use for them, locations and uses, and that's all completely free content, so do feel free to dive into that. But I do hope that I see some of you on the nervous system realign courses coming up. Yeah, I look forward to sharing this new and very exciting body of work and way of working with the skill set that I have. Yeah, thank you. Take care.